Hello guys and welcome to another video. So here in this session, we will try to explore an extraordinary addition to India's defense arsenal, that is the INS Tushil. So this warship is not just another frigate. It represents India's growing naval strength and its strategic partnership with Russia. So today in this session, we will try to break down why INS Tushil is so significant, the challenges India faced in acquiring it, and what this means for the future of our defense capabilities. So, guys, this is very important session because this is a story of perseverance, strategy, and ambition. So, stay tuned and listen to this completely. So let's start with the story behind INS Tushil. See, in 2016, India signed the groundbreaking 2 billion deal with Russia to acquire four advanced frigates. The plan was very simple. Russia would deliver two frigates fully built, while the other two would be constructed in India's Goa shipyard. So INS Tushil is the first of these frigates, and that mark and make it a significant milestone India's efforts to modernize its navy. Now, what make INS Tushil special? See, guys, INS Tushil is not an ordinary warship. It's equipped with state-of-the-art missile systems, including the BrahMos, which is among the fastest supersonic missiles in the world. In addition, its advanced radar system make it capable of detecting threats from miles away, giving India a strategic edge in the Indian Ocean region. So this is not just a ship; it's a floating fortress. Okay, now why this delay and everything, and what is the impact and everything? Let's talk about the challenges. See, this deal was signed in 2016, as I've mentioned, yet it took nearly 9 years for the first ship to be inducted. The question is, why so much delay? One of the main reasons was the Ukraine-Russia conflict. The engines for these frigates are manufactured in Ukraine, and the ongoing war caused significant delays in the delivery. So these delays have not only slowed down India's naval expansion, but also increased the cost of the project also. Let's also try to talk about and understand the financial burden. When we're speaking of the cost, if you see, the original estimate of these frigates was around 500 to 600 million each. But due to delays and the inflation, the cost has now surged to almost 900 million per frigate. So what was supposed to be a 2 billion project is now nearing, already 1.9 billion for just four ships. So this raises serious concern about the financial sustainability of such deals in the future. When you get this kind of delays, the financial viability is a big question now. Now let's also compare India's progress with China. See, we face these delays, yes, but our neighbor, China is rapidly building its own warship and even exporting them to countries like Pakistan. So this comparison is frustrating. China has achieved what we are still aspiring to, self-reliance in naval manufacturing. For India, when we talk about, you see, the reliance on external partners like Russia add layers of complexity and also increasing the cost. So that's actually the main challenge. Okay, if you see, INS Tushil was not built in mainland of Russia. Okay, it was constructed in Kaliningrad, a Russian territory located between Poland and Lithuania. So this region is the critical hub for Russia's military activities, including nuclear weapon storage and the warship construction. So the choice of Kaliningrad underscores the strategic importance of Russia places on this project. Now let's look at the future of India-Russia defense ties. When we look ahead, the delivery of the remaining frigates is expected by 2027-28. Additionally, India is exploring the purchase of Russia's advanced, Voronezh radar system. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it. Voronezh or Voronezh radar system, which can again detect missile threats up to 10,000 kilometers away. Combined with the S-400 missile defense system, this radar could significantly enhance India's defense capabilities. So, what does this mean for India? Firstly, we must accelerate our efforts towards self-reliance in defense manufacturing. Relying on external partners exposes us to delays and the cost overruns. That's why when we started this project, it was some estimated cost, but when we got it, because of the delay of this 9 years, the cost was too much. Secondly, these challenges should not overshadow the importance of INS Tushil. This frigate is a testament to India's commitment to securing its maritime borders and projecting strength in the Indian Ocean. So that's why this is again very important. So see, the induction of INS Tushil is a moment of a pride, in fact, and that reflect that India's military capabilities as well. See, it highlights our strategic partnerships and capabilities, but it also reminds us of the urgent need to address delays and build indigenous solutions. As we welcome INS Tushil into our navy, let's aim for a future where such achievements are made entirely on the Indian soil without depending on others. So that's about the session, guys, and thank you so much for attending. See you in the next video. If you're looking for civil service mentorship, you can get in touch with us. The details are in the description. Check that also. Thank you, guys.